I might be way too excited about this, but I have a mini dishwasher and it sits on a bookshelf and it drains into a bucket and it's so cool. Plus you can watch it. So yeah, it's really fun. The light does turn off after a little while, but it's really effective, which is nice. And it means I can wash more dishes all at the same time as doing other stuff. Okay, check it out. Any second now. Come on, little dishwasher, you can do your thing. It's taking a very long time to start. The suspense is building. There it is! Huzzah! It has a spinny thing at the top and a spinny thing on the bottom. And yeah, very small, which is perfect for my tiny, tiny space. All right, have a great week.